All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase, beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got backup camera, power windows, power door locks. Super nice, this truck with only 19,000 miles. And best of all, minimum damage around. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Yes, it does. Has a little chippy there. Front driver's steel wheel. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 11/32. The front door has a dent right here, 6 inches from here to here. It caught that inner on that door. That fender on that door caught the fender. As you can see, it's got multiple little dings. Looks like all from the inside out. Banging around things in there. Likewise, around the truck. There you go. The glares, you can see it from the glares. Boom. All right. Rest of it looks good. Just seems to be up here from this line up. All right. And then you got a little bit here. One here and one below that. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread here is that's 9/32. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. As you can see, it looks good. It is tore up, or it has a tear on it. Let's see, about 3 to 4 inches right there. All right, this vehicle does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Oof, AC on all the way on full blast, folks. It is hot today. Of course, you got your AM/FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. How? You got your instrument cluster here. What that looks like, you see it does have one light on for tire pressure and your mileage of 19,736. Looks good. Whoa. Should put that in park. Next time I should definitely make sure the car is in park. Rear bumper looks good. These doors look pretty decent. We got a dent here, another little dent here, some more little dings, ding ding dings. The panel looks good. This panel by the backup camera has a little cracking there, as you can see. All right. Now these doors do fold out, as you can see, like that. And likewise here. All right, this is what your cargo area looks like. Boom. Looks pretty decent. These are a little bit beat up. Likewise on this side, a little bit beat. All right. Here's your panel, the door in it. Got some dings here. That seems to be, likewise like the dents over here. It looks like they put a lot of stuff in here and it got banged around, tossed around. Likewise over here, little small dings. You see a heavy scratch here. Actually, it continues. And have one of my guys touch it up. Yeah, heavy scratch. 10 or more inches. You got a dent up there, some paint off. We'll get to that. And over here in the corner, we're gonna get to that as well. Let's go see this. See this son of a bitch first. Here's your dent here. The rest of the roof looks good. I'm gonna check the front there. It looks like maybe there's a dent. The rest of the truck looks good. Just in this area, there's a dent. Let's see how the other one looks. And this is what it looks like here. Close-up shot. Boom. Boom. And then here in this corner, coming up to here. I don't know if I would exactly say that this is roof, but that's the roof on that edge there. Definitely a dent. This quarter, besides that area there, looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire there. It was over 830 seconds. It's a heavy scratch. I'll get my man Edgar here, one Roy, to touch that up. That'll be it. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Pretty nice. Of course, you know, typical of any vehicle. So you can see the actual dents from the inside going towards the out. The roof up here looks good. All right. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And tire thread. This at 10:30 seconds. I'm gonna check this this little spot out. Excuse me, Edgar. Excuse me. Edgar. Alright, check this out. I'm gonna see if there's a dent up here. And I said this door was okay. I see a little dinghy right there. Alright. And no, the roof is okay. It's just those edges on both corners there. Must have backed up into like a garage or something. It's typical. I've seen it actually happen to me in my house. The Amazon delivery guy, as a matter of fact. Alright, folks, lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 19,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.